You must remember this, a kiss is still a kiss.
What's up guys? What's up guys? What's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. So today sasama namin kayo sa work namin. Papakita namin sa inyo yung pinagtatrabahuan namin. Kung saan kami nag-work dito sa China bilang sequencer duo. Tara!
You must remember this, a kiss is still a kiss. You must remember this, a kiss is still a kiss. As time goes by,
few minutes later.
Hi guys! So first set done. We have 4 sets here. So 3 more sets and we have 15 minutes break. Kaya chill muna. Pero after third set, bali yun yung longest break namin. For dinner, chill muna tayo and coffee. See you later!
Later.
So ayun guys, tapos na yung 3 sets namin at pupunta namin sa buffet para kumain. 45 minutes break, tapos sunset na lang. Tapos na, uwi na kami. Yun lang yun. So let's go guys, punta tayo sa buffet. Tara!
Few minutes later.
guys, ito. Tapos na yung set namin. And pabalik na kami ng room. Kaya lang, nakalimutan namin yung card. Kaya kukuha siya. Ang panibagong card. Hi guys, so we're now back in our room. And that's all for today. Hope you like this video. And see you on the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Oh, no, 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 no.